This tutorial will provide a brief overview of the eCompanion course platform and introduce the tools available to you and your students. For more detailed user instructions, see the eCompanion Faculty Orientation tutorial or the eCompanion Help available from your eCompanion homepage. You can think of the course website in 3 parts. First, every eCompanion course comes with a built-in set of tools located here along the top of the course website. We'll talk about these tools in some detail in a couple of minutes. Next, over here on the left is the navigation bar or the navigation tree that provides access to course units and content items. When you're enrolled in a course website, either as an instructor or as a TA, your site will also include an author tab. You'll use the author mode to create and configure most of your course content. The center of the screen is where all the action takes place. Content and threaded discussions are displayed here. So let's take a few minutes to explore the course tools. The course admin tool includes 3 functions: course information and preferences, course enrollment, and group management. The course enrollment and preferences function allows you to configure course settings and preferences, like how unit titles are displayed, how your threaded discussions function, and which items, if any, are controlled by the course scheduler. Course enrollment displays a list of everyone who is actively enrolled in the course and all drop students. The third function, group management, allows you to set up and manage groups within the course. The next function, the gradebook, provides access to the online course gradebook. While the instructor can view and edit grades for all students in the gradebook, students see only their own grades. The email tool is pretty straightforward. You can use it to email the entire class, subgroups of the class, or individual students. The Live tool provides access to the Chat tool, which is a simple, synchronous communication tool. You and your students can post and retrieve files through the next tool, the doc sharing. While both students and instructors can upload and download files here, only instructors can delete files from doc sharing. Note that while users can choose to share files with the entire class or just the instructor, this area works best as a public repository. Use the Dropbox, which we will discuss in a moment, to exchange files privately between students and instructors. Students submit assignments to the Dropbox where only instructors can see them. Instructors can view and comment on submitted assignments, then post grades and comments through the Dropbox. Grades posted in the Dropbox are automatically added to the gradebook. The journal is a private student-to-teacher communication tool. It's a good place for reflective writing or responses you don't want the whole class to see. The next tool in the toolbar, the Webliography, is used to create a library of web links outside of the course website. Both students and instructors can post and annotate Webliography links that are available to all course participants. Finally, the toolbar includes links to tech support and to eCompanion Help, which we'll talk about a bit further later in the tutorial. Now let's talk about the left-hand navigation bar. eCompanion course websites are structured in units and content items. The brown bars indicate units, and then each of the links underneath link to a content item. Units are simply virtual containers of information. You might choose to structure your course sequentially in weekly units, as this course is structured, or alternatively, you might structure it by topics or lessons, or a type of activity, for example. Then your course content is housed in content items within each unit. eCompanion supports a variety of content items, including text or multimedia, Microsoft Office documents, quizzes or exams, threaded discussions, and web content. Before we finish, let's talk briefly about the course homepage. Course homepage is the first thing your students see when logging into your course website. The home page includes announcements, a What's New area that lists all the activity in the course since the last time you accessed the course website, and a checklist that can be linked to course activities, like assignments, for example. The home page also includes space for a welcome message that helps situate students in the course. As this tutorial has shown, eCompanion is a powerful content delivery system. For specific and up-to-date instructions for working with eCompanion, click the Help button located to the far right of the course toolbar.